This is my cheat day, and I'm gonna have a cocktail. Okay, so where the people at? What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Jolie, but if you are a part of the My Foodie Family, you already know that you true to this and you ain't new to this. So welcome back, y'all. Okay, so real quick, you know I've been on this meal prep journey for the last couple of weeks, and we took a little time out on going to our restaurants and trying out these dishes and these delicious, refreshing cocktails because I gotta get it tight and get it right because summertime soon come. But I told y'all we were gonna get back to it, and that's what we're doing. It's Saturday. And before I go to the restaurant, y'all, because tomorrow is Sunday and it's meal prep day, I stopped off at H-E-B. You got all my ingredients. I did not want any excuses because I'm true to this meal prep journey, okay? Went to H-E-B, but now I'm in the parking lot at Target because I had to stop and buy this. So I got a cooler, I got some ice, about to pack up these groceries, and then we're gonna head to the restaurant. So come on, let's get to work. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you comment, like, and share as well. All right, let's get to work. This wind is so disrespectful. So we made it up here. Got me a seat. Y'all know normally I'm sitting at the bar, right? Well, their bar is a little bit dark, so I figured I'd take this nice seat in the sunlight so we can see each other. We see each other. If you know where that's from, comment down below. I haven't shared this, but I've been to Haywire a lot of times, more times than I can even count. But I came back here because they've got some new items on the menu that I want to try and see, you know, what I can do to make it Chef Jolie style. And also going to try some of their signature items, or I'm saying signature, some of my favorite items that I get when I'm here. And I'm going to share that with y'all too, so that if you come to Plano, Texas, if you're in the DFW area, there's a location in Uptown too. But if you go to Uptown, I can't speak on that one now, I ain't never been there. But if you come to the one here in Legacy West in Plano, you may want to try some of these items. We'll see what it's given. But I'm thirsty, this is my cheat day, and I'm gonna have a cocktail. Okay, so where the people at? I actually want to try this Texas Twisted Lemonade. Is that good?
Yes, that's going to be on the sweeter side.
Super sweet?
It is the sweetest of our cocktails.
Oh my God.
I find it to be pretty sweet.
It's the simple syrup that makes it sweet?
It's that. I mean, the Weston Sun Lemon has some sugar to it. The Luxardo syrup, that's like the cherry syrup that you find in like an old fashioned. That's what gives it a lot of sweetness. Plus ginger ale, so a lot of different, and the elderflower liqueurs.
Yeah, that's a lot of sugar.
Yeah, that's how I describe it. It's like, we call it a patio pounder. That's great for like poolside or a warm day like today.
You know what? Oh no, I don't want a frozen Texas tea.
Gotcha.
That's just like a Long Island, right?
Yeah, it's a frozen Long Island. So everything you find in a Long Island iced tea is in that blend, and that has a sangria swirl.
Is that good?
I really like it.
You really like it?
On a warm day like today, like feels like the beginning of summer, so I feel like that would be a good one to start with.
Okay, well then I'm gonna switch up then. I am going to try the frozen Texas tea.
Certainly.
Okay.
Get started.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
That changed. Plot twist. All right, y'all. So I told you I've been here several times, and my go-to appetizer is always their cornmeal fried oysters. 10 out of 10. So good. Always fried perfectly and presented like chef's kiss. So I'm gonna order those because I like them. Okay, I like them, and it's a cheat day, and I want y'all to see how they come out and what they look like, so that if you like oysters when you come here, you can get them too. But I'm also gonna try a new item, maybe the black eyed pea hummus, or they have something called the crispy romanesco. It is peppadew peppers, queso fresco, lime aioli, and it also has black eyed pea hummus. So maybe I'll try that because it includes the black eyed pea hummus, just because I want to try something different. So I don't think that was on the menu before, but I already kind of have my eye on something that I think that is going to make it on the show. But you never know, because we already had one plot twist. You never know. You never know. So we're going to start with a couple of appetizers, and we're going to just enjoy ourselves, y'all. So let's do it. This little drink here, this frozen Texas tea. This the one. Oh, this is in the summer rotation. I gotta figure out how to recreate this swirl. But yeah, we like you. We like you. I'm so excited. Haven't had anything fried in, has it been more than a week? I can't think over my mouth watering, so I don't know. It's been a minute. So this is the crispy romanesco. Can you see it? I didn't know it was gonna be fried, but we'll try it. And these are those oysters I was telling you about. These are my fave. Ooh, I don't want to drop them. Can y'all see? Look how pretty. They look amazing, don't they? Amen. All right, but let's try this crispy romanesco. He said it's like cauliflower, broccoli, or something, but more flavorful. So let's see. That looks like broccoli. The black eyed pea hummus is kind of underneath there. Can y'all see it? Oops. Y'all can't see that. But it's under there. It's more of a garnish to anything, but this is good. Good broccoli. I'm not mad, because this can be a good appetizer, like a past item for my catering company for vegans, aside from the queso fresco and the aioli. But we make a very good vegan aioli, but yeah, that's good. Okay, y'all, I have my main course. Oxtail stroganoff. What y'all think? It's gonna give what it's supposed to be giving? We're about to try it. Let's see. don't know, y'all. I think they kind of missed the mark with this. Let me try it again. Get somebody else to do it. Like me. I tried it. And this is the first. It wasn't giving at all. But I think the dish has potential. So I gotta make some decisions. Am I going to just recreate those oysters for you, or that crispy Romanesco that I had as an appetizer? Or am I gonna just totally revamp this oxtail stroganoff? I don't know. Y'all gotta tune in. Tune in to At Home with Chef Jolie to see what I do. But this is a conundrum. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, going to Haywire here in Legacy West. I love this restaurant. They have some really amazing dishes. I love the ceviche. I love the fried oysters. The Romanesco was pretty good as well. But this new dish, this oxtail stroganoff, yeah, it missed the mark. But that's okay. It happens to the best of us. Tune in to At Home with Chef Jolie to see what I'm going to do. You know, I'm going to do something. And I'm going to make it do what it do. So, I'll see you next time. And make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. All right. Bye.